Welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2010 Ford F150, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the wiper blades. So let's get started. You're gonna get two 22 inches wiper blades. I bought these ones. These are BOSCH brand. I'm gonna leave the link down below here in the description if you want to get the same ones. What you're going to do is to pinch down this little pin just like this. There we go. Just gonna lean it gently right over the glass so you won't break accidentally. Press down, squish these things from both sides like this, and then open this up. Here we go. Now let's insert the wiper blade strip. This one, just insert it into the slot right here, just like this, and make sure it grabs right here, just like this. This plastic thing, you insert it into this hook. You just slide it all the way up until these pins right here goes all the way passing the hook. There we go. As you see right here, now we gotta close this. Perfect. And we're all set. The new wiper blade. Do the same thing for the other side. Passenger side, you open it, and you take the hook, you insert it right through the slot, and once you pass the hook, and you put it all the way back, just like this. There we go. Just click it back, and this is it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.